healthy. But with all these diet pills and plans, what does science have to say about weight loss tips? Let's get the obvious out of the way first. Exercise. Not only does the physical act of exercise burn calories immediately, science has recently found that it continues to burn fat while you sleep. During exercise, your body uses up most of its available carbohydrates for energy and replaces them over the next 24 hours. In the meantime, it begins to break down your fat stores for basic functions such as walking, talking, and even sleeping. Don't skip meals, especially breakfast. We explained in our last video the science behind appetite. When you starve yourself, your body and brain create intense urges to eat high-calorie foods as opposed to healthy options. Breakfast specifically helps to keep blood sugar and hormone levels regular and gives your metabolism a boost to burn more calories through the day. Adding more protein and low-fat dairy to your diet helps as well. Protein induces a large release of the chemical PYY, which goes to the brain and suppresses hunger signals. Simply adding 10% more protein to your food can keep you full much longer. Low-fat dairy, on the other hand, contains calcium, which binds to other fats you've eaten and creates a soup-like substance which can't be absorbed. Instead, your body excretes this soup, and with it, more of the fat you consumed. Speaking of soup, it's perhaps one of the best-kept dieting secrets. When you drink a glass of water with your meal, the fluid is easily absorbed before your food is digested, which quickly brings down the stomach size, making you feel hungry. Take that same meal and puree it in a blender, and the fluids have a much harder time being absorbed quickly. This means your stomach stays expanded, making you feel full for longer. Count your calories. Studies show that people who actively document their food intake by using a journal have drastic improvements over those who don't. Furthermore, knowing a coffee is 10 calories, but a cappuccino is 100, gives you the opportunity to structure your diet to eat more while taking in less calories. And while it may seem trivial, reducing your plate size can drastically change your food intake. Studies show that a simple change from 12 to 10 inches can reduce the amount of food you eat by up to 22%. Our bodies have a hard time turning down food in front of us, even when we're full, so the less food on your plate, the better. Finally, sleep and stress play a large factor in how much we eat. Both sleep deprivation and stress levels increase appetite, making it harder to keep off the pounds. Got a burning question you want answered? Ask it in the comments or on Facebook and Twitter, and subscribe for more weekly science.